Good morning, everyone. This is Mark with Wear Parts, and with me today I've got Eric Derry from our customer care team. And what we want to touch on today are all the different parts that we have for the Horsch Joker high-speed disc machine. Eric, if you could just tell us a little bit about the product offering.
Sure. What we'll start out with is the main disc blade. You've got your notch disc blade. It's got the flat center with the hole pattern to fit the Joker hub. So that's your basic part right there. Of course, it's got the extra deep notches too for extra cutting, making sure you're getting that residue size back down. And then we also have the feathering disc for the outside edge too.
There's a left and a right, right?
Left and a right on these, and these are to make sure that we're keeping all the residue inside the confines of the machine, so it actually is getting worked and sized down, and also to make sure that those edges that you pass through are not ridging up or having divots in there. Make sure everything across the field stays nice and level.
Gotcha, so that there's not a trench or a ridge on your different passes side by side. That's good. And then we've got the hubs as well for the Horsch Joker. It's a 5-bolt hub. This is a forged hub, very high quality, coming out of Europe. One of the unique things about this particular brand of hubs is FKL. Their load ratings meet or exceed, and typically exceed, what the OEM load ratings are. And so that, combined with the superior sealing technology they use, we're seeing longer wear life out of these hubs.
Right, they've got that dirt block seal inside of them to make sure that the dirt stays out, and every chamber within that seal is filled with grease to keep the dust and the dirt away from there. In dry, dusty conditions, we've seen testing on these where they've lasted 5 times longer than the competition.
Yeah, that's amazing. And then in like a mud slurry test comparison, we're seeing the lifespan of half again as much. And you can kind of see this here hub does not fit the Joker, but you can kind of see the quality of it here in this cutaway. You can see the heavy duty ball bearings there. They look like they're nearly 1/2 inch in diameter. There's a double row set of them. And then this here is that special dirt block seal that's got grease in every single chamber, whereas other brands, leading brands that we compete against, would just have grease in one chamber. So a big advantage there. And then of course there's this rubber O-ring here that keeps the dirt from coming into the front side of the hub.
Yeah, these hubs specifically for the Joker, they work great. It makes for a great pairing if you're rebuilding a machine.
One thing to mention on these blades, every one of our blades is made of high quality boron steel that's been heat treated and tempered to 48 to 52 Rockwell. So what we're seeing is a wear life that exceeds the other brands out there. We've done testing, sometimes it's 15%, sometimes it's almost 30% longer wear life than some of the other leading brands here in America. So any questions or comments regarding Horsch Joker tillage replacement parts, please give us a call at 1-884-BLADES. Thank you very much. Good morning.